Imagine sitting at your desk, editing videos late night, and suddenly realize this passion of yours just bought you $1,000. Sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly what happens to me. In this video, we'll talk about how I made $1,000, or we can say the story of how I made my first $1,000 online. Okay, before we jump in, let me be clear, I wasn't some professional editor with Hollywood experience. I started with nothing but basic software, free tutorials, and a lot of curiosity. If I can do it, you can too. But let me tell you something real. I spent months with zero clients, got scammed, almost gave up, and still managed to earn my first $1,000. So first, I started with one simple step. I learned editing. At first, it was just me, my PC, and YouTube tutorials. Once I felt confident, I went to Fiverr and Upwork, thinking I did instantly land clients, but reality hits me hard. I didn't get a single response. Days turned into weeks, and I thought maybe this whole freelancing thing just wasn't for me. But then I discovered a platform called Freelancers. Same story at first, no replies. But one day, I got a message. A YouTuber which I have reached 1 month ago, he reached me out and asked me that, can you edit my video? I was nervous but excited. I sent him a sample and he liked it. So my first gig, or you can say my first payout, is $4 per video. It was 10-minute video and I started editing for him. Yeah, it is starting. Soon we agreed to $6, then $10. I thought things were finally moving, but suddenly he stopped posting. Just like that, I was back at zero. But this time I had experience, and with that I worked on my skills for months. Then I discovered Discord offers you servers where you can find clients or editors, and I thought this would be the thing that I want. So I started texting people non-stop like before. After a few months, finally a client replied. He wanted map animation videos. It was booming that time. So I worked hard, delivered everything, and then the nightmare happened. He said he would pay me monthly. A month passed, nothing. When I asked again, he gave me the ridiculous excuse, and that is, I'm taking a loan for you. Then he ghosted me. I even got a message saying the person you talked is dead. Yep, I got scammed. And it broke me. I was angry. I told myself, never again will I trust blindly. So from that time, I avoid editing, I avoid texting to anyone. But one day, I was just playing Valorant to clear my head. Out of nowhere, someone added me on Discord. I picked up the call, and it was a guy I had messaged a month ago. He said, I want you to edit my video. That one call changed everything. I started editing for him. Slowly but surely, I went from struggling to finding consistent clients. And that's how I earned my first $1,000 from video editing. It wasn't instant, it wasn't easy, but every mistake, every scam, every rejection taught me something. It's not about starting perfect, it's about not giving up after that first rejection. And if you want more videos like this, like, comment and subscribe.